Hey folks, Mike Smith, All Seasons RV. Today I'm going to walk you through the 2021 Flagstaff E-Pro 12SRK. It's about a 12-foot camper, weighs 1779, so pretty much any vehicle that can tow 3,000 or more can absolutely tow this around. And what's really cool about it is this does have the off-road package on it. So it lifts the entire coach up about 4 inches, plus it has these meaty off-road tires on it. They are nitro filled, so over time, you're not going to gain or lose any air compression, and then also it'll give it even tire wear going down the road. So you're not going to be, uneven on one side versus the other. This does have the Dexter axles with the Torflex suspension. So a bunch of jargon. Basically, what that means is it's independent suspension per wheel. So say you're driving down the road, you kind of hit a pothole on one side versus the other. Just a wheel will go down. The entire camper's not going to drift away from you, and it'll track really nice behind your vehicle as well. So this model will come with an outside griddle and an outside prep table. So you can absolutely have like an entertaining outside cooking area. Plus you'll have your 110 outside outlets here. So if you wanted to put a little TV outside, or say you had an electric griddle or grill or something, you can plug it in right there for it. Now this model will have your 100-watt solar panel on the roof. Also, you have mounting bars up there. So if you wanted to carry kayaks or bicycles, you can actually mount them up on the roof. And the stair right here that is attached to the wheel, which obviously is removable, does have pins on the side. So if you needed the step to actually get a little higher, to actually reach the roof, you can do so. Working more around the outside, the back end of it. Now, this does have stabilizer jacks on the back to really stabilize when you're inside, so it's not rocking back and forth. But this has an awesome outside kitchen on the back. So you have a really cool mini fridge out here where you put a bunch of drinks, food, whatever you want to put in there. Also, you have your microwave up top, cooking popcorn or whatnot outside. You have an outside speaker as well. So the radio inside, you can actually play the music outside, inside. This is your Go Power 1,000-watt inverter panel. So basically what that'll do is, because this has a 100-watt solar panel on the roof, 1,000-watt inverter, it transfers that, basically in layman terms, it transfers 12-volt power into 110. So you can totally go off the grid on this model. You don't always have to be plugged in. But if you want to run your microwave or your AC, you have to be plugged in on the side or have a generator. This does have the 2-burner cooktop stove, also a sink that's plumbed to a gray tank, so it's not just going to spit out on the ground on you. Bottle opener for drinks, 110 outlets, water heater button. So this does have a 6-gallon propane water heater. It's a DSI, direct spark ignition. You don't have to actually go to the hot water heater panel, open it up, and light it. You can actually just press the button and it'll light it from out here. And then you have a monitoring panel for your battery life, fresh water, and your gray. And this is where you turn on your water pump as well. So more on the back side of this is where the hot water heater access is. Plus you have it's prepped for additional solar panels. So you can actually pair more solar panels to that 100-watt panel that's already on the roof. Then you have your basic kind of water hookups. This is where you fill up your freshwater holding tank. And then if you want to bypass your holding tank, say you're at a campground or at your house, you can actually have just a direct feed of water coming in with the pressure right here. It's a city water connection. And then what's cool is the antifreeze inlet, and this is to winterize. So what you do is basically hook a garden hose to this. The opposite end goes into your antifreeze. Turn on your water pump and go faucet to faucet until you see pink or the antifreeze coming out, and the unit's winterized. 25-foot power cord. It will come with the unit. You have a little outside storage here, and you can access this from the inside as well. All my E-Pro models will come with 2 6-volt deep marine cycle batteries. Plus, we will provide full propane, 20-pound propane bottles up front, and it has the power tongue jack. So it's really easy to put on and off your vehicle. Let's jump inside, check out the inside. So again, this can easily sleep 2 people. So right now it's set up just in the bench seating. But this bench right here pulls all the way out. The cushions fill in, and again, very comfortable for 2 people. This does have the furnace down below. It's a 20,000 BTU furnace, and then a 13,500 BTU AC unit. So this, you basically in the summertime turn this into an ice box if you really wanted to. Then you have your carbon monoxide detector, your converter box, fuse panel, breaker panel, and then your inverter. This is where you turn it on and off if you're inside versus outside. This model does have the 12 volt, 22 inch LED TV. And then on this side, if I can get to it, does have the built-in DVD player as well. And this TV is on a swivel mount, so you can easily see it from on that side. And while I got the camera over here, might as well push me right there, right? Pops that up. There's your 110 outlet and USB charger ports. So really easy. And then when you're not using it, hides away and you have all this shelving on the side. You do have additional storage next to the bed for clothes or whatever you want to put in here. Same little storage here. And then you have a little storage compartment as well next to the TV. So again, that's the 2021 Flagstaff E-Pro 12SRK. Again, it's just under 2,000 pounds. So as long as your vehicle can tow 3,000 pounds, you absolutely can do this. Now, this does have electric brakes. So the only requirement your vehicle is going to need is a brake controller. If you don't have one, call us for pricing. If you need pricing on this as well, or you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. It's 330-564-0222. Visit our website at www.asrvs.com. Check us out on Facebook, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Enjoy camping.